Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Sony WH-1000XM4 wireless headphone. So this one is a noise cancelling, so it has active noise cancelling headphone. See here. So base here is, it says it can last 30 hours for the battery. Then high res audio wireless. So at the back of the box you can see this one how it looks like. Then there's a touchpad controls on the headphone, and it comes with the case. Yeah. Okay. So this can be connected to your smartphone, TV, and laptop. Then here's the more information about the music playback, maximum 30 hours. Then it is longer if you are not using the noise cancelling function. Then for 10 minutes charge, it plays up to 5 hours. Then hands-free calling, voice assist function, and it is using a USB Type-C for charging. And also you can use a audio cable in case you don't want to use the wireless function some stage here. Okay, so this other logo here with the Sense Engine LDAC Digital DSEE Extreme. Not really sure about these functions. Anyway, I'll open this now. So okay. Right. Then where to open? Probably here. Just pull out from here. Yes. Then there's a easy setup configuration, so installation. So there's an app you can download for the smartphone. Then power on your headphones, connect by app. Okay. Then here it is. So it's nice case. So it's like a cloth fabric, and it's hard as well. Then zipper here, lock. Okay. Zipper with the Sony written here as well. By the way, before opening that one, then I'll show you this. So there's a some paper together, like a reference guide and free trial music service 360, and other probably quick start. I'll just open this one so you can see what's included in the box. So this is a reference guide. Then some more probably setup with the illustration. And different steps. Step 3. Okay, then let me see this headphone. Okay, it's like a gray color. There's option like black as well. Then you can see here that this is the port for the USB Type-C. Then there's a 3.5mm jack, and there's a power button, and custom. I'm not really sure about this custom. It was really soft, and also there's a sensor here. This one it detects if you're wearing the headphone or not. If you remove it from your head, then it will automatically stop the song that's being played. Okay, so there's a right, then the left one here, then the control is somewhere here, so touch control. Alright, so then you can swivel here to here like this, then very soft. Okay, then what else here? The cable, 3.5mm audio cable, so you can just plug it here in case you want to listen direct without wireless. Then this is the USB cable, type C, and also for airplane, you can use this one. For the airplane, you can connect the cable, 2.5mm, then connect this one. Okay, so that's it. So I'll test this one, and probably I will connect this one on my TV, then I'll show you how to connect that one using Bluetooth. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.